Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
And send me some recipes.
Yeah, and hit the bell. Okay, so we have some technical difficulties.
All right, y'all. So as you can see, this is another cooking with the Roberson video, as you can tell by the title. But as I'm getting ready to start editing this video, I see that Andrea and Rhyielle had some technical difficulties with the camera. So they're starting at the Instant Pot stage of the recipe. So I don't know if they've already seasoned the meat. If so, unfortunately, y'all won't be able to see what seasonings they use in the chicken taquitos. But I'm here just to do the intro and say, welcome back, TFX family, to another Cooking with Robersons video. And today, Andrea and Rhyielle are making chicken taquitos. Me and the boys were out getting haircuts and at Costco shopping while they were making this wonderful meal. And yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy. If you do, hit the like, subscribe, and notification button, and that way you can come on back for the next video. All right, see y'all at the end of the video. Peace.
Okay guys, so I turned, and thank you Rhyielle for your assistance. So I turned on the Instant Pot earlier on steak meat, just to get it heated and stuff. So I'm gonna spray it. Rhyielle would come over, but we're having technical difficulties. And then I'm gonna stop it just to restart the time. Put it back on steak meat. Okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that kind of do an overhead view. Okay. Just gonna...
One by one. You hear that sizzle?
Yeah, it's not a big sizzle because it's the Instant Pot. Maybe I should put it on sear. Sear saute.
We got all the seasoning. Perfectly seasoned.
I should put it on sear saute. No, I'll just keep it on steak meat. Yeah. Okay.
Steak and meat. Okay.
Sorry. Okay, so here we go.
One by one.
I could dump it in, but I just like placing it in there.
Why?
I don't know. Just to make sure everything gets cooked as evenly as possible. So it lays in there on the heat instead of just being dumped in there.
Mama, I thought this was cleaning stuff.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. And of course it'll be hotter once I actually put the lid on because it is a pressure cooker. Really? Let me put this like that. It's okay for it to be on top. I am gonna put a little bit of chicken broth in here just for added flavor and for that cooking goodness. Okay, so I'll put this chicken bowl back in the sink.
Oh. Okay.
It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more of this.
Could I put some seasoning in?
Oh, sorry, that was it. Maybe you want to put some paprika?
Yes.
Or some garlic?
Garlic.
Okay. Now you gotta be really light-handed with the garlic because it comes out kind of fast. So just do it like sideways. Like that. Good job. Okay.
Okay, you can let go.
Okay.
This is... I don't really like holding the camera, but I guess I have to.
Now typically, if I were to make this,
So much moving around.
there are a lot of things that you can do with this type of meat. Ooh, it's starting to bubble. Love it.
Oops, I called it. Okay.
A little bit. But my family does not like casseroles. They don't like cheesy pasta. They don't like flavored rice. They don't like a lot of stuff. So I am
don't like
limitada. Okay.
I like rice with butter, and that's it. That's it, just butter.
Am I on? Okay, I'm gonna pressure. Okay.
Mama and
Let's
Andrew.
start. Okay.
Daddy
So
like other
we
stuff.
are.
Hey.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are good to go. That is in there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up.
Up.
Yeah. I'm gonna clean up, and then what am I gonna do after that? I'm gonna clean up, and then I gotta get the rice started and the veggies and stuff. Now, typically, when you have this, you can live it up. You can have some avocado, you know, which is aguacate. We can have that. You can have pico de gallo. We have some in the fridge, but I think it's too old.
What is pico de?
Pico de gallo, that is a mix of tomatoes, onions, and jalapeno peppers all together, which we have 2 things of in the refrigerator, but that was for our last party, and I think it's old, but I'm gonna check it. So you can put all of your favorite Mexican toppings on there. We do have sour cream in there, which the kids like sour cream, cheese, things like that. We have salsa in there. You could put that in the chicken. My kids don't like that in the chicken. Why are you coming so close to my face? So yeah, you have options. So now I'm gonna clean.
Peace.
We're back.
Yes, we're back. I'm making some cards, placemat thingies so that we all know where we sit. The boys already know where they sit, and so do I, but I still want to make them because, yeah.
Y'all, Rhyielle decided to make place cards, and now she's making a survey. OMG, I think that's a great idea, Rhyielle.
Thank you.
What made you think of that?
We do these type of surveys on peer deck in class, and then I was like, oh, we could do like a food one.
That was a great idea. They do surveys at restaurants all the time. Great idea. I'm fluffing up the last few tortillas. I put the other taquitos in some foil and put them in the microwave just so they'll stay warm. But yeah, we're getting done. The rice is good and it's done, and I'll add a salad. So ensalada, arroz y taquitos.
What?
Salad, rice, and taquitos. All done.
You okay?
Yes.
Hi guys. Let's look at those haircuts. Come over here, Andrew. Cade. Ooh, looks nice. Whoa. Okay, y'all take off your coats so you can sit down and have your lunch that me and Rhyielle prepared for you. Yeah, y'all go ahead and put your coats away.
And we also got little questions.
Okay, guys. Okay, so I don't want to hold y'all back. Look at these awesome place cards that Rhyielle made for everybody in surveys. Okay, y'all go ahead and say grace, and then the camera will catch y'all's reaction.
Go. Oh my gosh, there's too much space. God is great, God is good. Let us take him for our food. Amen. Jesus bless the homeless people. Okay. I only tried the meat, but I haven't tried the taquito altogether.
And yours doesn't have any cheese, Andrew. How is it?
It's good. Good. It's just pot pies.
How is the food?
I already said it was good. Kate said it was good. Andrew hasn't answered.
Well, Cade said he likes Popeyes better.
Well, a little bit. Tastes good to me. Okay, better.
The chicken and season well, Rhyielle.
She seasoned it.
She critiqued it and figured out what we needed to season more. And she smelled all the seasonings.
Except for the garlic. Daddy, how was it?
It was good.
Mom?
Very lemony.
It's good.
Cade, how was it? Good. Andrew? Great.
All right, so it's survey time now, and yeah, it's time for everybody to give their review of how they feel about the food.
Yeah.
Andrew.
I didn't vote, so no more, please. Good means great.
Good means great.
No.
The way you spell great is like grating cheese. Put your E in.
What's going with it?
Yes, you're right. Rhyielle,
Oh.
why are you over here? What'd you say?
That smile.
Try to smile. No. No.
Girl, if you don't do your review.
Stop trying to change my stuff. Great.
Trying to help you out. Great.
Help me.
Okay, what's your review?
Good.
Good? Hey.
Good means great. Good means
Okay.
great, Mommy.
So the reason why Andrea gave that response when Cade gave his review is because Cade said he pointed to the taquitos that's still sitting there
Yes,
on his plate.
No, tell the first thing he said.
And
Yes.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. He pointed to his taquitos
Yes, you
and he
did.
said, this right here, I give a 0
0
out of 0.
30
First he
something.
said 0 out of 10, then he said
No, he said 0 out of 0. And then he said
before
0 out of
that,
31.
When he sat down, he said Popeyes is better.
Oh, I didn't hear that because I
Or
was
I
in
like
Yeah.
Popeyes. Or
I
something
don't-
like that.
I like Mama's stuff and I like Popeyes.
You kid who not gonna eat.
I love everything.
Yeah. Cade over there, he gonna be starving in about 5 minutes because all he ate was some darn salad and some rice. 2 servings of rice. You know, rice go through you. Go through you. Oh, look at him. This boy tripping. That's how you gonna be acting when you're hungry. Anyway, y'all, so that was the end of the video.
Oh wait, I didn't do my survey.
Oh, you sure did. Sorry, Mama. I was thinking you was gone when I gave me a kiss.
What about you, Daddy?
Cleaning up.
Oh, I guess I didn't get mine either.
Y'all, when I'm in my meeting, y'all need to clean up the table on the front, the top of the table, under the table. And Andrew, you're on sweep duty. Rhyielle, you're on table duty.
Yes.
And Kay, you just gonna supervise because.
Or help wherever it's needed.
Okay, I give it terrific.
Terrific.
Because Rhyielle was a really great helper. The chicken flavor came out good. I'm getting from Daddy that he's not a lemony person.
Yeah. The lemon pepper was not my jam.
I thought you would like lemon pepper and Cajun together, and so that's why I did that.
Yeah,
and
no.
It'll bring out some.
I learned a while ago that I only like lemon pepper on wings. Yeah, I tried to cook something with lemon pepper, it didn't work. So I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't terrific, but it was very good. So
Yeah, and you know, on this journey of trying to find things that my family enjoys, my family's not gonna love everything, and
Yep.
that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's tiring, but you know, we want to find stuff that people
That works.
this family actually
And it wasn't
likes.
the taquitos itself, it was just that lemon pepper. Y'all see that spray over there? I bought it last night when I told y'all I was gonna get us a
told him.
sprayer. I know you told me, I'm just
Oh, okay. So, but yeah, so it's a journey. So we're gonna keep choosing recipes and different seasonings and seeing what people like, what they don't like. So all of y'all except Cade like the taquito outside, and you like chicken. We could just alter the seasoning. The rice was good.
Yes.
Just needed some butter.
and salt.
And some salt. It just had chicken broth in it. And
It's hard to hear you with the water there.
Oh, sorry. Just had chicken broth in it, so we could be diligent with that part.
But
And that's it.
okay, good deal. All right, y'all. Well, we really appreciate.
So, Daddy said there's like this dressing, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
What did you call it again?
Italian.
Italian dressing. If you're a kid, then you should try it because it tastes beyond amazing.
Italian dressing with ranch. Okay.
And white tail.
Okay.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
And send me some recipes.
Yeah,
And hit the bell. Hit the bell.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, we're out. Mommy got a meeting, and so we'll talk to y'all on the next one. Everybody say peace.
Peace.